Hey folks, it's Brent here with Rolling Hills Toyota in St. Joseph, Missouri. Just wanted to do another informational video for you on the 2013 RAV4. Brand new body style, selling tons of them. They're a great vehicle. Come on over here with me, I just want to show you a few things. Look inside the vehicle. Toyota's going to be the only small SUV with standard backup camera on every model that we make. Also, if you can zoom in a little bit for me over here, you'll see a display audio screen. The display audio screen is going to give you full touch screen for all of your audio, Bluetooth, auxiliary, USB, anything you need. And if you look at the steering wheel here, you'll be able to control all of your music, all of your phone features right there from the steering wheel. Also, Toyota, the only manufacturer on the market with free maintenance, 2-year, 25,000 mile. You won't pay for any oil changes, tire rotations, free roadside assistance for 2 years, unlimited miles. Last thing I want to tell you guys about this vehicle is the safety is incredible. 5-star safety system for the RAV4, vehicle stability control, traction control, everything you would want in a vehicle. Come see us out here at Rolling Hills Toyota. We'd be happy to show you one.